La 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 la. Ah! I love doing my homework while listening to some music, guys. It always makes me so much happy. Oh, what's this? I have an encrypted message. And look, the sender is the inspector. Yes, the detective who came the other day and asked me those questions. Remember? I think here we have the conversation we had the other day. The questions he asked me, but the answers are hidden. I can't get to see them. So let's try to unencrypt the message. The first question was, do you take showers every day? And I did say, yes, I do, right? I do take showers every day. But the answer is hidden behind these symbols. Let's try to guess what other words we have behind. Whoa! And we have a book with some clues. Let's go for them. The cockroach is no. The scarab is I. And the fire is don't. So the answer is no, I don't. No. If I do take showers every day and the answer is no, I don't, that's for sure wrong. I told you, yes, I do. That is what I said the other day. So you need to fix that. Let's correct it, okay? We are going to write that in red so he can see that that is the right answer. Yes, I do. I do take showers every day. Let's go for the second question. He asked me, do you have fruits for breakfast every day? And I remember telling him, no, I don't. I don't have fruits every day. Sometimes I have fruits and some other days I have cereals or sandwiches. So let's see if the right answer is behind those symbols. I think so, right? We have the cockroach, the scarab, and the fire. So the answer is right. No, I don't. Great. The third question was, do you go to school by feet every day? And remember, I told him, no, I don't. I don't go to school by feet every day, just some days. But yeah, the symbols are different. Let's check them. The mummy is yes. The scarab is I, as always. And the Tom is do. So the answer he wrote is yes, I do. No, that is not my answer. I said no, I don't go to school by feet every day. So you need to fix that. Come on, let's write that in red so you can remember, detective. Great. Let's go for the final one. Do you get dressed by yourself every day? If I put the clothes by myself without help, and the symbols are cockroach, scarab, and fire. So the answer is no, I don't. No! That's wrong! Yes, I do! I do get dressed by myself every day. My mom doesn't help me with that. So let's fix it. Okay, we write together. Yes, I do. Done! Oh, okay. How quickly the message disappeared. And oh, we have a postcard and it says, I need to meet him tomorrow at 6 p.m. in the park and I will help him to decipher the case. That sounds like an adventure, guys. Ready!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello,
my dears. All right, let's keep working with the second activity, and again, present simple. But the auxiliary, remember that the auxiliary is this word here, do, okay? That for I, you, we, okay? It works, but if we have he, she, or it, we need thus. We need the auxiliary thus. All right? Yes? So let's complete the sentences with the encrypted message. Okay, we have here three different symbols, like this first, second, and third. And we need to write down the right answers. So this, okay, this cockroach, it's first no. And then we have the black one, no I. And okay, this is the first encrypted message. No, I don't. Let's go. Yes. Do you take showers every day? Sorry, I didn't read the question. The first question is, do you take showers every day? No, I don't. Oh, okay. Second question, do you like ice creams? Let's see what's the right answer. Fire, yes. Fire is yes. Yes, I. And the mommy is do. Yes, I do. Okay, well done. Oh, okay, third question, and in here we need to find out and complete the encrypted message. The mommy is do. Do. And okay, the old is do you have a best friend? Oh, nice. I love this question. I do have a best friend. Okay. And finally, the answer yes. Again, yes. The fire is yes. The black cockroach is I. And the mommy again is do. Well done. Yay! We did it, guys. Great.